So I've helped about 60,000 people be able to write their ebook and put it on Amazon. So in the comment section, there was a guy that asked me a question about how do I come up with content for the book. And so in this video, I'm going to give you 3 quick tips on how you can come up with content for your ebook. And then you can revert back to that video. I'll link it in the description or up here, and you can watch that video to help you actually get your book finished and then released on Amazon KDP. Tip number 1 is to use something that you already have. Maybe you have written a blog, or you already have some previous videos that are along the same topic. So let's just say if you've been creating videos or you've been creating content, you want to get the content that's grouped in the same area, the same category, and then just transcribe that all. Or if you already have it as a blog, then you take all of that and you take the same category of topic and you throw that into an ebook. And then you use some of my favorite tools. You can use the Hemingway app, make sure it's on a 4th grade level. Then you put it into a Grammarly after you get done copying and pasting it into Hemingway, and you make your edits and your updates. And then just like that, if it's a quick ebook, you don't necessarily need to get edit, but I would just send it to Fiverr and let somebody there just proofread it, look over it, and give it a quick edit. Tip number 2, come up with a main topic and then some subtopics. And this is how you want to do that. And we can use AI to help us with this. So your main topic, let's say your main topic was a book about, I don't know, it could be about anything. So you can ask ChatGPT, you can say, hey, this is my main topic. These are the subtopics I've thought about. Give me 3 to 5 more bullet points that I could use to expand on this topic. You get your phone, you turn on the voice recorder, and then you just record everything you can think of on those 3 subtopics. And then you transcribe it. And that is the best way to come up with content for your ebook. Here's the 3rd tip. There's so much information nowadays that there's no excuse for people to not be able to find things for their book or information for anything, really. So what you can do is you can go to Reddit, you can go to Threads, and type in a specific hashtag about your topic, and then just scroll and look at all the things that people are talking about that particular topic. Reddit is a great place. You have people in real time talking about real things about all different types of topics. So make sure you utilize that. And I would just go to Google and type in, for instance, if you were an entrepreneur and you were trying to help people start a business like I do, I would go over to Google and type in entrepreneurs starting Reddit thread. And then just scroll through Reddit. It's gonna have some great stuff in there. And then you can pull from that, and that's how you can get ideas to start writing your book. Now, if you're ready to write a book, I actually created a masterclass. You're invited. It's free to register. I'll leave the link in the description. But basically, it's how to write a book in 6 days without taking a lot of time and money. So it's about maybe 50 minutes long. I invite you to go there, sign up for that, register now, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.